Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video I'm going to be making some tinsel earrings. These are going to be some holiday earrings that is you guys super cute. I seen these and I was like, ooh, I gotta have a pair. I really do want a pair. So I've got some I believe these are like ribbon ends. I think that's what they're called. I got some silver and gold ones. Of course we gotta have some earring hooks. I don't know what these is called. I really don't. Some type of pin. I don't know. I got some string. Now this is not the elastic kind. This is just straight non-stretch string. Okay. Got some jump rings right here. Got my glue gun. I also have some round nose pliers. I'm going to be using this as a crimp as well as to create that little loop in these pin thingies. And then of course you guys, we need a bunch of Christmas garland. So I'm going to be doing these one way is going to be with ribbon ends. This is probably the easiest way. So ribbon ends, I'm going to do another way using the pins, and then I'm going to do another way using the string. So y'all, we're going to do the easy way first. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut my garland down to the size that I want it, and then let's go ahead. Alright you guys, so I have my garland cut, and this does have the wire in it. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it does have the wire. So I just cut this to about what, 2 inches, and all I'm going to do is fold both of the ends up to where I have both of the wire ends at the same point, start point right there. I'm trying to see if I want to do more. Is that fluffy enough? I don't know. Let me do these because these are bigger. Yeah, I did these a little longer. So all we're going to do is take the ends, and then you know what, I could just use a smaller ribbon end. Let me get a smaller ribbon end. Alright you guys, so I got some really tiny ones here because they don't need to be really big. So all we're going to do is bring the 2 wire ends up to each other, up to where they meet. Try to pull the rest of the garland down as much as we can. Put the 2 ends inside of the ribbon, crimp, and pretty much just crimp them on. And there we have it. We got one done. Let's do the other one. So we get the 2 ends, bring them up to the top. Try to push all this down. Two wires should be exposed. Okay, I see it. Okay, I wasn't seeing it at first. Okay, let me cut this down just a little bit. All right. Then we just crimp it closed. That's pretty much it. Like, these are the simplest ones to do. These are the easiest ones to do. Let me go ahead and get some jump rings because these are pretty much done. So let's open up the jump ring. Add on a little earring hook. And then of course, let's also add on the earring we just created. And look at that. We got one tinsel earring done. So let's go ahead and do the same thing to the other one. I'll be right back. Look at that. So cute. So adorable. So we have the pink gold ones. We have the pink silver ones. Look at that. I think it's super, super cute. So let's move on to some gold. Now I should have some gold in here already loose. Okay, I do. Now these actually might be the easiest ones. So let me take back what I said, because these should be the easiest ones. Okay, so first off, what I'm going to do onto this little pin here is I'm going to go ahead and try to create a loop at the top. So first I'm going to create like this little hook, little L shape, whatever. And then I'm going to take the little tip of it, the very end of it, and just turn it back onto itself, creating like this little hook. If this thing stop moving, there we go. Okay, got it. Little hook. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the rest of them, and then I'll be back. Alright, so for this one I cut 4 tiny little strips. I've got the gold for the gold, the red for the silver, and pretty much this, like I said, this is going to be easy. Now this doesn't have the wire. This has like thread in the middle. So what I'm going to do is put a little bit of glue on the eye pin and then just glue this on here. So let's see if I can do that. And let's see if this comes out the way that I'm thinking in my head. Okay, so it is glued on there. And then I'm going to flip it over to this side. Add some glue on this side. And then, of course, add another piece right on top of it. And then you can stack this, you can layer this as many times as you like. I think I actually want to take it up just a little bit more higher with these. So I'm going to do that. You can always cut, trim as much or as little as you like. Let me cut a little bit more. Okay, and then I'm going to do that for the rest of them, and I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so we got the gold ones done. We got the red ones done. That's what they look like. Super cute, super quick. Now let's move on. Let's make some longer ones, and I'm gonna do that with the string. Y'all, I'm still not quite sure how I'm gonna do this. I just want the string to be long enough for me to tie it in a knot. Yeah, you just want to cut the string to where it's long enough to tie in a knot. You don't really need a ton of it. I'm trying to figure out if I want to mix my colors or what, because I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know. Okay, no, I'm not going to mix the colors, but I'm just going to go ahead and use this pretty blue. So let me go ahead and cut out 2 even pieces, and I'll be back. Okay, now before I use the string, actually cutting this gave me another idea. Because this is wire. So I'm wondering if I can be able to shape this into the shape that I want. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm twisting it. So I'm trying to make that wire a little bit more stronger. So I'm like doubling it up in the hopes that it will be stronger, and maybe we can get it into like a hoop shape. I don't know. I think that would be great if we could. Okay, so let's see if we can Oh my God, we can. Look at that. We can get it in a hoop shape, y'all. Okay, you know what? Yup. And then all I got, because it's wire, I could just put this in through the, I could just put it through the loop. And then, you know, bend the ends down and fold them within itself to where it doesn't poke anybody. So let me do that. There, folded them down. But you guys, look at that. We got a little hoop popping off. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Let the ends meet up. And then just start twisting. I don't know which one is my favorite. I do like the pink fluffy ones though. I love those. So I'm just going to keep twisting. Keep twisting. And then I'm going to put these two edges through this loop. And bend them down. And then look at that. We got some little hoops popping off. Alright, so all I'm going to do now is just attach a hook and the jump rings, and we done. So these might actually end up being my favorites, y'all. Look at them. They came out super, super cute. Super. I don't know, like, these might be my favorite, but I do love the this color. Like, I love this color pink. I love this color pink. I think I might have to make some pink ones like the hoops. Like, these is adorable. My only thing is, do these things itch? Like, do they tickle when you wear them? Like, is it gonna tickle my face? I don't know. Never worn them, so this would be my first time. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. You guys, we didn't even have to use the string. Get creative with this, especially if you have the wire, you know, the garland that has the wire in it. You can twist it to make the wire stronger and do some shapes. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.